Yeah, guys, it's snowing. This is the view out my window. Nice. Finally, some snow. I like snow. I still have that little kid in me, but it's snowing. We are parked at my job, and it's not that cold, but it's okay. Snowing. Yeah, boy. Still have that little kid in me. I love the snow. Nice. Starting to get bigger and bigger now. Cool. What's up, guys? It's snowing. Let me open up this window here. It's nice and snowing. Things are sticking. Nice and snowing. It's starting to look nice. Hey, from my RV on my window, just chilling. It's all about living in the RV. Alright, guys. Oh, baby, this is me at my job, watching some football games. Philadelphia Eagles with the Detroit Lions. Christmas tree. I decorated in here, and this is where I work at. This is where I work at. There go my baby parked right there. That's why I'm there all the time. That's where I'm living. And this is me at my job. Check-ins. Play. This is where I work. Yeah, guys. This is where I work, brother. It's something that's dressed up a little, not casual. This is where I'm at. Mostly here by myself all day. I got the maid working inside the room working. And maybe like about 4 or 5. And I'm here by myself. Again, Sunday should be a quiet day. It's snowing. And should be a quiet day. This is where I'm at, guys. Keys to the Wemby. Yeah, guys. Yeah, this is the office again. And snowing. Next day. I like this type of weather. This is nice snowy day. Oh yeah. And put my baby outside. And this is where I work, guys. This is where I work. It's nice out here. Got my baby again. That orange wire is where I get my electricity. Runs down. Hold on. Yeah, so that's where I get my juice from. Runs that wire up there on the floor. And it runs towards my RV, which is now nice and snowy. And that's where I live. This is going on now. It's nice and snowy today. Yeah. So this is where I work, man. It's nice and quiet now, but they got their days, man. I work in a black neighborhood mostly, so I gotta deal with all the brothers. And it's not easy sometimes dealing with all these brothers. They can't be any more cheaper than them, but this is what it is. Got everything here. There's the snow. It's nice. What's the name of the hotel? Crystal Inn, baby. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, just showing you where I work. It's a strip joint over there. It's the strip joint. So next to the strip, but I don't go there. I'm not much of a strip joint person. But this is where I'm at. Alright, guys.